Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado is featured in the LT Trail Boss trim and is a white paint finish. It includes features such as heated front seats, a backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a 2-inch factory lift and a powered liftgate. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, door locks and unlocks, all of our powered mirrors and power window controls, as well as our rear window locks. Bottom of the door has some additional storage, as well as a speaker. Just up to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode, all of our drive modes, as well as our lighting controls, including in-bed lighting. Down the left-hand side of the seat, we have all of our powered controls. We can also see our seat finished in our black cloth and heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see all of our cluster gauge with a digital information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free, as well as the controls for our digital information system on our cluster gauge. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We have AM/FM audio, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. If we swipe to the right, we can also see our backup camera with adaptive as well as hitch guidelines. Below it, we have additional controls if we don't want to always be using the touchscreen. Then we have our dual zone climate control, heated seats for our driver and our passenger, and our push to start button just to the left. Below it, we have our park sensing button, powered liftgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill park assist buttons. Then we have a USB-C, a USB, and a 12-volt plug. Then we have storage space, 2 cup holders, as well as more storage in the center. Our center console, up top we can see our key. We have our locks and unlocks on the top, remote start on the bottom left, and powered liftgate on the bottom right. Opening into our center console, we can see that we have some deep storage. Moving to the passenger seat, it is the same black cloth that was featured on the driver's seat and is also heated. Above this rear view mirror, we have our OnStar control, rear check reminder, and our lighting controls. Now moving down the side of our vehicle, moving to our tires and rims, we have a black alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we have a black finish outside mirror, as well as black finishes in both of our paint handles. In the back corner, we have our corner step. The back of the vehicle, we have our Chevy badging, as well as our Silverado and LT badging in black. Moving closer, we can see we have a backup camera, as well as rear park assist. We have a power gate, which we can open by hitting on our button. In the bed of the truck, we have a bed liner, as well as all of our tie downs on the front and the back, and in-bed lighting. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, as well as storage and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, in the back of the driver's seat, we have a storage compartment. We have 2 cup holders in the back of our center console, as well as 2 vents, a USB-C, a USB, and a 12-volt plug in the center console as well. Passenger seat also has our storage compartment. Moving to the seats themselves, they are finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have 2 more cup holders and some storage. And in the back of the outside seats, we have hidden storage. And we can also flip up all 3 seats and make additional storage space by simply pressing up on the bottom. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.